Storytime today. I'm Miss Kim from Midpoint Library, Trenton. Have you ever wondered about things that are very light or things that are very heavy? That's what all of our books today are going to be about. The first book we're going to do is called So Light, So Heavy by Susanne Strasser. Elephant wants to teeter-totter, but the teeter-totter won't tip. Elephant is so heavy. Along comes Penguin. Penguin hops onto the teeter-totter, but the teeter-totter won't flip. Penguin is so light, and Elephant is so heavy. Along comes Monkey. Zippity-zap! Monkey climbs onto the teeter-totter, but the teeter-totter still won't tip. Penguin and Monkey are so light, and Elephant is so heavy. Along comes Ostrich. Whoop! Ostrich springs onto the teeter-totter, but the teeter-totter still won't tip. Penguin, Monkey, and Ostrich are so light, and Elephant is so heavy. Along comes a crocodile. Crocodile doesn't have time to stop. Phew, that was lucky. But along comes a giraffe. With a tippity-top, tip and tap, Giraffe climbs onto the teeter-totter, but the teeter-totter still won't tip. Along comes Hippopotamus. Ba-boom! Hippopotamus plops onto the teeter-totter. Finally, the teeter-totter teeters, but it still won't tip. All the animals are just as heavy as Elephant. So Penguin, Ostrich, Monkey, Giraffe, Hippopotamus weigh the same as Elephant. Now what? Along comes a child, and a trumpet sounds. Brr, 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 brr. Ah! With an eek and an ah. Oh dear, but the teeter-totter has tipped. Now the teeter-totter tips. Hooray! Do you see the dinosaur? And everyone goes up and down, up and down. I love to be on a teeter-totter, don't you? It's one of my favorite things. So what was happening is they were on a teeter-totter, and one end was so heavy and one end was so light. We are also going to read, how much does a ladybug weigh? Have you ever seen a ladybug? They're very, very small. How much does she weigh? Let's see. This book is by Alison Limentani. Ten ants weigh the same as one ladybug. 9 ladybugs weigh the same as one grasshopper. 8 grasshoppers weigh the same as one stickleback fish. 7 stickleback fish weigh the same as one garden snail. 6 garden snails weigh the same as one starling. That's a bird. 5 starlings weigh the same as one gray squirrel. 4 gray squirrels weigh the same as one rabbit. And 3 rabbits, 1, 2, 3, weigh the same as one box cub. 2 box cubs weigh the same as 1 swan. It's beautiful. And 1 swan weighs the same as 880,000 ladybugs. Whew, that's a lot of ladybugs. So before I forget, we are also going to make a scale. You'll be able to make that at home with a hanger, some cups, some string, and then you will be able to go around and explore and figure out maybe there'll be things around your house that'll be so heavy or so light. All right, we have a little rhyme. Are you ready? This is really easy, and we're going to talk about size. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. This is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. But you guys never say no, right? All right, so the next book we are going to do is called Balancing Act. This has 1, 2 mice and a teeter-totter. Remember this teeter-totter right here. So let's see what they do. Balancing Act by Alison Walsh. I think they're going to make their own teeter-totter. I see a rock and a stick. The mice have made a teeter-totter. This was fun to balance because there's 1 mouse on this side and 1 mouse on this side. 1 mouse on each end. Ta-da! See how it's level? But then a salamander wanted a turn. Luckily, a friend stepped in to help, and perfect balance. Uh-oh, a frog. So we have 1 mouse, 1 salamander, 1 mouse, 1 salamander, and then comes frog. Whoa! What happened to our teeter-totter? Do you think it's heavier on this end? But then another frog. Balance once more. Oh no, a bird wants to balance too. Whoops, that's not gonna work. Or maybe it will. 1 bird on this side, 2 frogs, 2 salamanders, and 2 mice. Balance. Do you think that means they weigh the same? But not for long. Too many balancers. Uh-oh, their stick broke. Time for everyone to find something else to do. Except the mice. Ta-da! And they're back to balance because there's just 1 mouse here and 1 mouse here. Thank you very much for coming to Storytime today. Don't forget, you will be able to find instructions for the balance scale here. You'll be able to figure out what is light and what is heavy. Until next time, see you soon.